Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we are going to be talking about Hot Wheels in UK and what is the buying procedure, where can you get them, and also what all did I manage to collect, because when I went there what I realized was that Hot Wheels is essentially an American toy, so it is not very popular in Britain. So it is not very common for Hot Wheels to be available easily everywhere, and which is why you need to spend a hard time looking for them. And 2-3 places which I realized have them the most, the first being Sainsbury local. If you want to note it down, if you're visiting or if you've got family there who want to know where they can pick it up for you, Sainsbury local is a good place, and we'll talk about the prices later. So Sainsbury local is one. Then you've got Poundland, which was one of my favorites because there you get it at a decent price. Overall, Poundland is a very economical store. So over there everything is on a budget, including Hot Wheels, and you get them at really good prices, especially the main lines. And toy stores are obviously a great option, but then again the thing is that some toy stores are specialized. For example, I was visiting one in Scotland whose video you might have seen earlier. They had a lot of toy trains, toy cars, but they did not have Hot Wheels because they thought it was too childish. So you need to make sure that you're visiting a toy store and not a hobby store, because maybe the hobby stores won't keep these because these are for kids. So it's a technical thing, and you might find them in the majority of toy stores. You just need to really be on the lookout that where are they. So to start off, I'll show you the first ever Hot Wheels that I purchased over there, and this was this is the coupe clip. And if you do not know much about this, I'll just show it to you. Can you see this hole over here, this hole? So this is actually a keyring sort of thing, and it's just a metal body with a Spectra flame paint. So this is a keyring, basically a Hot Wheels keyring, and it is quite a nice color. I really like the metallic paint finish of this, and Hot Wheels keyring, this is a very good item to present to someone. If you're meeting someone, even if they do not collect Hot Wheels, this can be a present from you to them, because they can use it as a keyring. And as far as the price is concerned, this was from Scotland for 2.5 pounds, which is 250 rupees, which was on the higher side. Mainline should not cost generally this much, but this is what it cost over there. And this is from the Xperi Motor series, because in this series you get funky cars which actually you can do something with them, like you can open a bottle, or they've got some nice cars. Then we come on to some other cars which I managed to find here and there from toy stores, or some are from Sainsbury, some are from Poundland. And this is the Jeep Cherokee, and this is in the red color. So this is a very nice casting. SUVs are trending these days, and they are really easy to photograph even if you uncard them, and the red color looks really nice. Detailing wise, the side detailing and the top detailing is top notch. You can see right here. Front and rear you've got the spare wheel and jerry cans, so even the rear detailing is good. Front detailing, the black signature grill, it looks good. Not too sure about the winch and all. I mean, they look good, but the detailing is not there. It's just there. So if you can add some details using a Sharpie or something, it'll look really good. So there's the Jeep Cherokee. So another beautiful casting which I found there was this. This is the Ford Shelby GT350R, and it is in the signature blue color, which is really popular for Shelby cars. And as far as the color is concerned, it's a very nice color. Then we come on to the rear detailing, and the rear detailing is actually top notch. And from the side also it looks good. Wheels could have been better. These wheels, they are the typical mainline wheels, and if you can swap them, it will be a good choice. Front detailing, the stripes, they look nice. However, the headlamps are not there. Even the logo is not there. So maybe 8 on 10. Not the ideal casting, because I cannot even see too many details on the top or on the side. So they should have technically given it on the front and the back. I don't know why they've not given it. Then we come on to another one, and this is the 32 Ford in the Gulf livery. Now this is a hot rod, and this has come in the Rod Squad series, and we have got multiple editions of it, and it looks really nice. But especially in the Gulf livery, this cannot be missed, and if you find it anywhere, you should pick it up. So the car plus the livery, excellent. Then I picked this up. This is again from the Xperi Motor series. This is known as Breaking Speed. It looks like a Lego car, and I'm realizing that Hot Wheels has started a Lego kind of series. And I picked one up back when I came to India. This is Breaking Speed, Breaking Delivery. So you can see these Lego cars is something that Hot Wheels has started new. So I'm yet to open any of these. Let me know if you want to watch an uncarding and see what they actually do, because I'm not too sure. There is some animation at the back. I think this part comes out, this part is detachable. We'll have to look into it. Then this is a pink truck, and this is an old-fashioned truck, that vintage truck look, and the color is really nice. It's that pinkish purple color, and the name is La Troca, which literally translates to a truck in Spanish. And I really like the color, which is why I picked it up. Detailing wise, it's very average, but overall it looks good. Then this is an excellent casting, and you should pick it up in whichever color you find. This is the Nissan Patrol Custom. So you see it has got a chrome grille and it has got some big tires and it has got the blue color with the red and white livery. So overall it looks quite good, and really like the styling on the hood over here. As you can see, overall this is a casting which is in high demand, and this is from the Hot Wheels J Import series. So yeah, I think it's a new series, and back when I shopped all of these, Hot Wheels had no scene of coming back to India. We didn't even know if it will come back or not, so I didn't really have the option to let this one go. I had to buy it. So yes, this is the Nissan Patrol. Then this is the Batmobile, and it just says Batmobile and it looks really cool. I really like this military green kind of matte finish. This is very dark green and a really nice paint job, and it looks really good. I'm not too sure which edition of Batman this is from, so if you know it, let me know in the comments. Overall it looks good, and the rear styling is quite elegant. You see this just goes up like this just goes up, and overall it's a good looking car. Then we've got the Porsche 911 GT3, and this is one car that Hot Wheels has always been good at. No matter which generation of the GT3 Hot Wheels has made, they have done an excellent job. And this one could not be missed because this was in a matte black color, which looks beautiful. The headlamps are, they are plastic inserts, so they look really good. And then you have got a license plate, you have got the badge, like the name of the car, and then you have got the tail lamps, and you've got a spoiler. So the detailing in this car is 10 on 10. Even the wheels, they are not that good, but the front and back detailing just make up for it. I got another one in the red and black color back when I came, and these two are totally worth it. Also, when you compare these side by side, you'll realize that in Europe we get the short card. I'm not really sure about the reason, but in India we get the long card, and in Europe we get the short card. So this is one difference between the cars you get here and you get there. So if you like collecting variations, you can definitely have two of these, one in the short card, one in the long card. Also in India we get the sticker at the back with the price and all. Over there the back is actually quite clean. You do not get anything, just what it comes out of the factory, you just get all of that. So the thing about Hot Wheels is that they make cars which have a legacy, and this is one such car. This is Matt and Debbie Hayes 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird. That's a really long name, and it has a wonderful and rich history. This is actually from the HW drag strip series, and this was actually built in USA, and this was used for drag racing. And you can see that over this hump, this is the supercharger, and this had a twin supercharger, I believe, and this won many competitions and some really high profile competitions. So this is and it's a beautiful pink color, and the car looks really elegant. Detailing overall, front also looks really good. The headlamps are inserts, plastic inserts, and even on the rear the detailing is quite good because you get the chrome spoiler and everything. Overall it's a good casting, and if you find it, you should go for it. Then you have this exotics Hot Wheels exotic series Lotus Emira, and this Lotus is actually a really beautiful car because the wheels, I mean, see, honestly, Hot Wheels main lines, the wheels are never going to be satisfactory. Every time you will feel that the wheels could be better. So I'm not going to talk much about the wheels because if I start going on about them, then most of them need to be swapped. But apart from the wheels, if you talk about the details on the front details are quite good. We have got the logo of the car, we've got the headlamps, and we've even got the tail lamp detailing. So if you talk about the front and back detailing, it's really good, and it's got a black roof, so it's a dual tone car and it looks really good. It's got a sleek profile, and this is one of the best looking cars that I managed to get there. And lastly, London is really famous for the taxis. UK taxis are really famous, and I managed to get this. And I don't remember having any of this because I haven't picked this up in the longest time, and I got the chance to, you get the chance to ride a lot of these taxis out there. So finding this with the Union Jack and everything and all the color scheme, this was a real pleasure. And it's from the HW Metro series, which is more like, it is a fantasy casting because originally this car is made by Geely, which is a company which makes the TX4. So the London taxi, the trade name of the car is Geely TX4. So this is not that, this is known as the Cockney cab. So this is Hot Wheels rendition. So this is inspired by the London taxi. This is not a licensed car. But this looks really good. It has got a white roof. I really like this stripe, and over here we've got taxi written, and we've got the Union Jack. And overall, buying this, especially in the UK, it was a great feeling because you're riding a lot of these and it feels worth it. So this is it, guys. This is pretty much a miniature haul that I managed to get from there, and this is not a lot of cars. These are not very easily available there as much as I would have liked. And as far as the pricing is concerned, as I told you, I'll discuss it in the end, and the pricing is close to £149, which means 1.49, which is almost 150 rupees. And I am honestly so thankful that Hot Wheels has come back to India for a similar price, because bringing them all the way is a lot of pain. It is very painful. It is just not worth it, to be honest. And as far as the premium cars are concerned, you get them very expensive. Any normal one which you find at Sainsbury or something, it is 8 to 9 pounds on an average, which is 8 to 900 rupees. In India, it has not come back until now, but we are expecting it to be close to 500 rupees maximum, or maybe 450, or somewhere around that. So that will still be cheaper, and sourcing it locally is so much more convenient than bringing it all the way. So this was it, and if you need any help, in case you got relatives there and you want something from there, let me know. I'll help you where to find them in any particular city, any shop or something. And if you want to see any of these in detail, if you want to see an uncarding of any of these, then let me know in the comments. Drop a comment and I'll try to make a video of the same. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.